south again, following your own star. Well, say hello to the people I know, if you happen to make it that far. Dear bird, I once was just like you, always moving and on the go, chasing sunshine and blue skies, running away from the snow. But nowadays I'm more of a tree, roots for me are something new. I can't get to them faraway places, so I'm asking a favor from you, little bird, flying south again, following your own star. Well, say hello to the people I know, if you happen to make it that far. Could you tell them that I really miss their faces and the funny things they say? Well, tell them if I could, I would be headed out that way. And yes, I really wish I could bring this mountain to the sea, but for now, you know I can't. So please, if you can, do this for me, little bird, flying south again, following your own star. Well, say hello to the people I know, if you happen to make that